Hello, this is Cchadwicka here, and I am showing you a video today on the 1FX address, which is the dormant Bitcoin address with over 79,000 Bitcoin. It's worth, I think when Bitcoin was up around 40,000, it was worth $3.263 billion. I think it's worth 2.5 now. We'll press the, and there's the Bitcoin balance. I bought the 79,956 Bitcoin, I believe, with my Upside Visa card. Nevertheless, to say I had to wait 2 weeks to buy it, but I was lucky because the market dipped that day. And then the June 3rd buy, which I wanted to show you, was that this one, 6/3/2011. That was done at the University of Houston Library on a 15-minute computer session. And I used my PayPal MasterCard to buy that, which overdrafted my PayPal MasterCard, and I had to close my account. But I did buy the Bitcoin. And here's the first buy on March 1st, and that's the one that I made during a 4 or 5 hour drop in Bitcoin. Dropped down a whole lot, but I was so glad because I got a lot more for my money. And I know this is the most talked about address, and a lot of people think I'm an idiot, but all I can do is tell you how I remember it. So I wanted to say that about a week ago, this one said 2110613, and then it said 00 semicolon 00, and then it had a 35. I think it only had two numbers on here, 35, and it read 64. June 4th. This was last week or maybe 4 days ago. I do have a screenshot of it. And I was logged on today to find it back on June 3rd, which is the correct date. And this comes after me revealing that that address is in a bitstamp account. The mnemonic to access the address in a bitstamp account, they will let me back into. And it's held in an offline wallet. So I noticed 3 or 4 days ago, or a week ago, that it said 6-4, and this is after letting Craig Wright's attorneys, David Haas, Tamara Fine, and 2 other email addresses, the location of the mnemonic, and the claim that this was the mnemonic for the 1FX address. And Bitstamp has officially changed the name on the account. They won't tell me what name's on it, but they changed the name on the account in November, I think, or December. This is all after sending those 5 emails out in mid to early November. So today, or yesterday, I was on the computer, and speaking of the June 3rd, June 4th blockchain manipulation attempt or function of the blockchain that I'm unaware of, either or. And this one showed up yesterday as 112, and today it shows up as 111 and is unconfirmed. So that's interesting. I think that's some kind of attempt by Craig Wright's attorneys, the government, or whatever other third party is interested in the 1FX address. I haven't heard a whole lot about the court stuff, but I have been in contact with Craig Wright's attorneys, so I'm just blowing the whistle on this. And be aware that this said January 12th yesterday, and today it says January 11th. And that's in concordance with this June 3rd by saying June 4th a few days ago. And I don't know how to convert UDT to Central Standard Time, but it was in the afternoon. So I'll just say, please be aware that the blockchain is only as good as the people who police it. Be your own government. Have a good day. Signing out. This is Cchadwicka. Bye.